if I want to display it as I have it in my template that says 0.00 and then HRS, like hours, that's the way the number is displayed. So we can select those and come to home and then number format, more number formats, and custom. And in here, delete that, and you type 0.00 to indicate you always want 2 decimal places, and then space, and then in between double quotes, HRS for hours. Okay, so you see, but the number there is still the number 0 or whatever the number is. If I type in here some values, then it sums those values and indeed indicates the sum there. Okay.